this world product ay very important product. Actually, this will create and empower our community with this out of this world product. Okay? So bago yan, manood muna tayo ng some clips.
Areas around the world are not well served by legacy internet solutions. Locations with severe weather, lots of disparate islands, lots of mountains. That's why we're excited to announce our partnership with Orbitz Corporation to bring a dedicated satellite to the Philippines.
The Philippines is comprised of more than 7,000 islands, and it's a challenge to connect those islands. They're disparate, they're sparsely populated, and the challenge is quite unique in an archipelago.
One of our private telcos, they have installed 11,000 barangays with fiber optics. We have 42,000 barangays, so still a long way.
Instead of relying on the traditional modes of connectivity, we can explore others, mostly wireless technologies, satellite technologies.
So the Astranis satellite, it would add about 4,000 to 5,000 sites. It will be really a big help.
This is one of the biggest industry na nakikreate ngayon, internet via satellite. Very familiar kayo with, familiar lahat with Starlink. Yun nga, ay naka-penetrate na rin dito sa Pilipinas. Astranis is one of its competitor. Ang pinagkaiba niya, meron siyang nilaunch na satellite, yung micro-geo satellite, na nakatutok mismo sa Pilipinas at para sa Pilipinas lang. Na sinasabi nila doon sa unang video na hindi katulad ng ibang satellite ay para sa Asia. So yung bandwidth ay nagkahati-hati. Ito ay naka-focus sa Philippines at mas mataas yung altitude. So next video.
Astranis and Orbitz have joined forces to bring internet connectivity to unserved and underserved areas in the Philippines.
I am honored to announce the official name of the Philippine satellite, Agila. The selection of the name Agila, or the Philippine Eagle, holds deep significance, embodying the project's unwavering commitment to connecting and empowering the Filipino nation through the expansion of access to the digital world.
May we present the partnership between Orbitz and Astranis for the deployment of the first 2 internet satellites ever dedicated to the Philippines. These micro-geo satellites will provide internet service covering up to 10 million users and 30,000 barangays.
This partnership will help bridge the digital divide and foster our digital transformation in the Philippines. So I want to thank all the partners involved in these initiatives for their commitment, their dedication, and their far-reaching vision. I look forward to the realization of these plans and the benefits it will bring to our countries. Thank you very much, and good afternoon.
Sabi ni BBM, I look forward to the realization of these plans from the partners.
Thank you very much.
Kasi maliwanag talaga kung ano pwedeng ibigay nito sa Pilipinas. So di ba thank you rin ni BBM, yung mga partners involved with this project. And guess what? Astranis is the US company. Si Orbitz is the Philippine company. Diba? Tapos ito ay in cooperation with the government. Kaya nandiyan si President mismo. Kasi nga, itong project na ito ay So, nangyari ito 4 months ago. 4 months ago or early, late last year. Nangyari sa APEC 2020. Nung nag-meeting kami ni Julie, with this, we discovered na wala pala silang, na malaki ang problema nila ni Astranis at Orbitz. And we are the solution. Walang ibang magdadala ng service na yan papasok sa community kung hindi sa Go VIP. we will be the partner for applications and support for Orbits para ma-fulfill yung utos ni BBM na maging ma-realize o maging real, materialize itong ganitong project.
Go VIP Center.
So, sa Go VIP Center, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng internet, kailangan nyo pumunta sa amin.